Hello viewers, welcome to my channel again. Greetings to all of you. Hope everybody is well. So today I'll introduce to you a new platform. It's a cryptocurrency mining and investing platform. The platform and project name is cryptoware.biz. You can see the link of this on my description box. You can see the link and you will join on my link. You can find the link on my description box. Kindly join that link on this site. So before know about cryptoware, you need to know what is cryptoware. So cryptoware is a Solution Limited is the most reliable international company working in the field cryptocurrency mining and investing. So cryptoware is a cryptocurrency mining and investing project. You can earn per hourly 0.15%. If you invest you can earn 0.15% per hourly about your investment and daily you can earn 3.6% every day. It's the profit of you. So it's a very legit and good site. So I will now show you the statistics of this site. The site running 57 days. That means it's the site is open on 57 days ago. There are lots of users will use it. There are 13,689 people have account there, and there are online on 29,968 people are now online. So it's a project of London, England. You can see the certificate of there. So guys, here is the certificate of this site. It's a legit site. You can safely invest here and make a good profit from here. It's the certificate of this site. The site is launched on 15th October 2020. And the company number is 12953753. And they are really verified with certificate, so you can easily and safely make a deposit here and earn a good profit from here. You can earn daily 3.6% every day. So if you any inquiry about payments, you can see here the payment instantly. If you withdraw any amount, any minimum amount, you can instantly receive it on your wallet. Here are lots of people withdrawal here every day. You can see lots of withdrawal. If you wanna see the blockchain link or the verification link, you can see this on verify. There are you can see the payment proof. They all 100% pay and they are pay instantly. You can receive instantly on your wallet. Here you can see on Ethereum payment. You can see. So I will show you now the deposit history. I deposit here on 28 December and I will show you now my earning. I deposit here 350 TRX and I already earn 50.4445 TRX on here. I deposited here on 28 December and today is 1 January. So only 3 days I received 50.445 TRX. My my plan is deposit it at last 1 month. After 1 month I will withdraw it. Here you can see I deposit 354 TRX. I will show you the history of my deposits. Here you can see my deposit. I deposit here on December 28, and after that the deposit will automatically earning, and here you can see I earn per hour 0.531. That means per hour I will earn automatically 0.531 TRX. So right now on my balance is 50.445 TRX. Its total are only my profits, but my deposit is only 350. But my deposit are only here 354 TRX. You can deposit here 350 TRX. There are minimum deposit at 350, and I deposit here only 354. If you deposit here 350 TRX, you can earn daily 12.6 TRX. You can earn weekly 88.2 TRX. You can earn monthly 378 TRX. So that means, guys, you can earn a 120% a month. That means you can invest, if you invest 350 TRX here, you can earn 120% profit from here. That means if you deposit 350 TRX, after 1 month you can withdraw from here 350 equal and 378 equal to that means 350 plus 378, that means 721. You can withdraw from here 728 TRX after 1 month if you deposit now 350 TRX. So guys, I suggest you, I mention you that you can easily and safely deposit here. They are really trusted site. They are really pay. They pay instantly, and you can deposit here any of these coin. There are Bitcoin, Ethereum, BCH, LTC, Dash, Doggy, USDT, XRP, Jack, TRX, XLM. You can deposit here any coin of your choosing here, but I suggest you can deposit here TRX or XLM or USDT. Therefore they are TRX, USDT, XLM, there are very stable coin. But right now Bitcoin is reached 30k. That means Bitcoin is very much high, and the all-time high of Bitcoin are now. So guys, I will suggest you can easily deposit here and earn a 3.6% profit every day. You can see here the minimum investment amount. There are BTC minimum investment BTC are 0.001. Minimum Ethereum deposit is 0.02, and Doggy is minimum 3000 Doggy. So guys, you can safely deposit here. They are really trusted site. They never scam. You can see the profit calculator here. You can invest here 100 USD. After 1 month you can earn 108 USD without any work or without any task. So guys, it's a very good opportunity for the crypto investor. It's a very good opportunity for the crypto lovers. It's a very good opportunity for the people. So guys, I mention you you safely deposit here. You can deposit here any coin. from here. I show you the I deposit here TRX, and I daily I earn TRX from here. Daily I earn almost 13 TRX from here, because I deposit 354 TRX. That means I earn daily almost 13 TRX daily. My target is I hold it here from at least 1 month, and after that I try to be a withdraw, and after that I will make a video and show you the withdrawal payment proof. But you can easily deposit here and withdraw here after 24 hours. The rules is you can withdraw after 24 hours without any right now I have no available balance on BTC, but I will show you the withdraw of TRX. I can, if I want to withdraw it, I can easily withdraw it. There are TRX minimum withdrawal at 35, and my balance is 50, so I can easily withdraw it here from, but I can't do it now because I hold it at last 1 month. So guys, I suggest you, I request you, I mention you that you can easily deposit from here, and there are almost 13,690 people are already on this site, and most of them are invested here, and they earn really a good profit from here, and the site is already running in 57 running days. So guys, you can easily and safely, you can no need to any bad attention, you can easily deposit here, and you can earn a good profit from here. And you can see the payment thing, there are instant payment, they pay instantly. That means enablement, that means the instantly payment are enabled. If you want to withdraw it, and you can receive your wallet, it's just 1 second, you can withdraw it and receive it on your wallet, just 1 second. So guys, that's all my video. If you like the video, you can like, comment and share. If you want to know about this project and many more, you can comment from my video, and I will instantly reply on your questions. So guys, you can easily safely deposit here. I suggest you can deposit here. I will show you my deposit, so therefore you can easily deposit here. So guys, there are important things available after 24 hours for a 5% relief. That means you can after 24 hours you can withdraw your funds with a 5% release fee. That means after 24 hours you can easily withdraw your funds. So guys, don't miss the site. It's a very legit site, it's a very popular site, so don't miss guys. That's all my video. Thanks to all for watching my video.